interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A global emergency is now in effect for the entire planet. NASA's Near Earth Object Observation Program confirmed a catastrophic shift in celestial movement. Astronomical sensors have identified a massive meteor that has been forcibly diverted from its trajectory. It has been confirmed that an interstellar entity known as Hanazuki has seized control of this meteor and is currently steering it directly toward the Earth's surface at terminal velocity. It has been discovered that is happening due to the cancellation of the animated series, Hanazuki, Further Treasures. The impact is projected to occur within the next 2 hours. Due to the overwhelming mass of the object and the speed at which it is being propelled, there is no survival strategy and no possible evacuation. That means the human race will go extinct. The United States government and international authorities urge all citizens to remain in their homes. Do not attempt to travel, as all roads must remain clear for first responders, though their efforts will be limited. Please use this time to be with your loved ones and find peace in your final moments. We are signing off for the last time with our national anthem. Please stand by. This is the final activation of the emergency alert system. May God bless you all.